Hi friends, let us solve this question. Here we have provided with a bag contains x plus 5 blue balls. Blue balls are x plus 5. 2x plus 1 green balls are 2x plus 1. Next, some red balls. There are some red. Okay. If two balls are drawn from the bag, one after the other without replacement, the probability of getting a red and green ball is total number of red balls we need to find the probability of getting three different colored balls from the bag without replacement if total number of balls in the bag is total balls 4x plus 8 3x, which means x plus 6, total number of balls 4x plus 8. Right. Now we need to draw if two balls are drawn from the bag one after the other without replacement, the probability of getting red red and green, which means red means x plus 2c1 and 2x plus 1. Green balls are c1. Total 4x plus 8 c2. The total probability is 1 by 6. Right? X plus 2 into 2x plus 1. X c1 ante give that value. Next 4x plus 8 into 4x plus 7. That is 1 by. Okay, if we are taking 2 as common from this, we get values cancelled. 12x plus 6 is equal to 8x plus 14. Right? 8x plus 14, 12x. So total 4x is equal to 8, x is equal to 2. Total number of blue balls 7. Total number of green balls 5. Total number of red balls, which is 4. Total number of balls, which is 16. Right? Okay. Then find the probability of getting three different colored balls from the bag without replacement if the number of balls. Okay, without replacement we need to find, which means blue balls 7c1, green balls 5c1, red balls 4c1. Out of total probability, total 16c3. Three balls are three different color. Different color means three different ones. 7 into 5 into 4 upon 16, 15, 14, 3 into 2. Okay, 5 3 times 3, 3 gets cancelled. 8 times 4, 2 times 7, 2 times. That is 1 by 4, which is 0.25. Option D is the correct answer for this question. Right? Okay. For more videos, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, MSR Class. Thank you.